This is the Pearl Harbour. There's a museum right in the beginning, shows all what happened on the 7th of December 1941. In 2 hours, the whole of the Navy and the Air Force, both were destroyed by the Japanese aircrafts who came over from behind the mountains, and the radar picked them up but could not, they didn't bother. And then this is a memorial for the Pearl Harbour, the white one right at the top. And then in the middle you see this white building. This is actually, underneath is the ship US Arizona, so you can view it. You go there by boat and then you can view it. And there is a ship on its side which is just anchored there. So this is the whole of the Pearl Harbour.